Hi everyone, and welcome. Today, we're diving deep into the microscopic world of animal cells. Specifically, we'll be exploring the fascinating structures within them, which are called organelles. So, what exactly is an animal cell? It's the basic building block of all animal tissues and organs. Unlike plant cells, animal cells don't have a rigid cell wall or chloroplasts for photosynthesis. But they are packed with specialized organelles we are about to learn. Let's begin with the nucleus, which often referred to as the control center of the cell, as it plays a crucial role in regulating cellular activities. You can think of it as the brain of the cell, as it manages and coordinates everything the cell does. The nucleus contains DNA, the genetic material that acts as a blueprint for all the functions of the cell. Surrounding the nucleus is the nuclear membrane, which serves as a protective barrier, safeguarding its contents. Within the nucleus lies the nucleolus, a specialized structure responsible for producing ribosomes, which are vital for protein synthesis. Next, let's talk about the mitochondria, often referred to as the powerhouses of the cell due to their essential role in energy production. These organelles are responsible for converting glucose, a type of sugar, into ATP or adenosine triphosphate, which serves as the energy currency of the cell. ATP powers various cellular activities, including movement, repair, and other functions. Cells that require substantial amounts of energy, such as muscle cells, contain a higher number of mitochondria to meet their energy demands. The mitochondria produce this energy through a process called aerobic respiration, which involves breaking down food molecules with the help of oxygen. Now, let's explore the ribosomes, which are known as the protein factories of the cell. These microscopic structures can be found either floating freely in the cytoplasm, or attached to the surface of an organelle called the endoplasmic reticulum. Ribosomes play a vital role in synthesizing proteins, which are indispensable for nearly all cellular functions. They follow instructions carried from the DNA through the RNA, and assemble all the essential proteins step by step, to ensure smooth operation of the cell. Inside every cell, there's a busy transport system called the endoplasmic reticulum. It is a network of membranes which helps in the movement and production of vital molecules. As you can see, it comes in two forms. The rough endoplasmic reticulum is named for its rough appearance, due to the ribosomes attached to its surface. Its primary function is to assist in the production and transportation of proteins, that are synthesized by these ribosomes. The smooth endoplasmic reticulum lacks ribosomes. It is responsible for producing lipids or fats, and it also helps detoxify harmful substances. Once proteins and lipids are made, they often need further processing and packaging. That's where the Golgi Apparatus comes in. You can think of it as the cell's post office. It receives proteins and lipids from the endoplasmic reticulum, modifies them, sorts them, and packages them into vesicles, which are then distributed within or outside the cell. Lysosomes are like the cell's cleanup crew. These tiny sacs are packed with enzymes that can digest and break down all kinds of waste inside the cell. They breaking down waste materials, damaged organelles, and even invaders like bacteria. This process keeps the cell clean and healthy. Let's talk about vacuoles. In animal cells, vacuoles are small sacs filled with fluid, serving as storage spaces for water, nutrients, and waste. While plant cells have much larger vacuoles, animal cell vacuoles still play important roles in maintaining balance within the cell, and eliminating harmful substances. Centrioles are small cylindrical structures that come in pairs, and are made of microtubules. They are found near the nucleus in animal cells. Centrioles play a crucial role during cell division. They help organize the microtubules to form spindle fibers, which are essential for separating chromosomes correctly. They also help in forming cilia and flagella, which are used by some cells for movement. We mentioned microtubules when discussing centrioles. Microtubules themselves are key components of the cell's internal framework, known as the cytoskeleton. These hollow tube-like structures provide support, helping the cell maintain its shape. They also function like railway tracks, guiding the movement of organelles and other materials within the cell. And that wraps up our journey through the key organelles of an animal cell. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more science explorations.